Government's technology and solution requirements are becoming more and more complex. The failure rate for these projects is too high. To address these issues facing government, IBM and ObjectBuilders have partnered to offer a solution in the area of case management. By combining IBM Enterprise Content Management with ObjectBuilders Composite Application Builder, governments can configure complex case management solutions without traditional coding. Governments would also benefit from performance-based acquisition models to reduce spending on failed projects.
Federal and state governments are accountable to three very different constituencies: citizens, businesses, and government agencies. Yet effective program management and successful service delivery depend on sharing information quickly and helping you make better decisions faster.
If you think about how the government has evolved, it's multiple programs, agency by agency, all hitting the same citizen. And citizens kind of get exasperated that different parts of the same government come to them in slightly different ways with slightly different versions of the same question. So one of the things we need to do is get a lot more professional, a lot more standardized on how we do it. So coming up with new, better commercial ways of delivering the kinds of services the government does. We also need better tools to do these things in the first place. Ways to be able to deploy quicker and faster and then adjust.
ObjectBuilders Case Management Government Mobilized Solution has set the bar when it comes to deploying a solution that is easy to use and cost-effective.
By combining IBM's Enterprise Content Management with ObjectBuilders Live App Player Suite, we can configure 100% of a case management solution. Because we can assemble the entire solution, we can apply true manufacturing techniques to software development. This is how we solve the challenges faced by government.
Software doesn't age. It's not like physical. If 100 years from now, if we have the computers to run it, the software will run exactly the way it does now. So composite app stuff, it's the wave. That's just the way to go.
The Live App Player Suite allowed us to quickly meet our customers' requirements.
Now that XML is the worldwide standard for data, it only makes sense for XML to be used to represent applications.
Programs need to be just as revisable and just as portable as their data is. That means we need a new way to think about application building. ObjectBuilders has it. Their solutions are designed, built, and managed in XML. New, but based on proven technology.
Well, the Global Industry Solutions team for public sector is really focused on addressing the key challenges of our government customers. And key to that strategy is how do we leverage the depth and breadth of IBM's software portfolio, but bring in critical capabilities of world-class partners like ObjectBuilders. So when we look at the government industry, case management is clearly something that is a pervasive challenge across all the segments. And ObjectBuilders Live App Player Suite is very consistent with our service-oriented architecture direction. It provides a platform that minimizes the need for coding so that government customers, when they're handed down policy changes or other mandates from government, they're able to get those changes implemented as quickly as possible. So for all these reasons, the combination of IBM and ObjectBuilders is really what our government customers are looking for today.
By harnessing the power of ObjectBuilders Live App Player Suite and IBM ECM, state and federal government agencies have a flexible and highly configurable solution that can rapidly deliver on the needs of governments and citizens.
It's XML that makes the manufacturing approach to software development possible.
The service employees can continue to do their job in the field and not have government miss a step.
For 21st Century Business, I'm Michael Clark reporting.